Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Rad Ryder here again. I got two mods that I'm going to be installing on the bike today. Here she is. So I got a windshield, and then I have a engine guard slash crash bars. I think every cruiser needs a crash bar to the sides installed, because this will help you a lot in a low speed crash. When the bike falls on your leg, usually your leg gets stuck under it. This will give you the space so you can get your leg out safely. So this video is not sponsored, but I'll put the Amazon product link in the description for both these items. The windshield does not come with any kind of install instructions. So it comes with 4 screws and 3 brackets. This is the bottom bracket, and these two mount to the top. We need to take out these 2 screws from the top to mount the brackets, and also these 2 screws from the bottom. Okay, now let's take these 2 screws out. Okay, I'm going to mount the brackets to the windshield itself. I got the 3 mounting brackets on the windshield. Now I'm just going to screw it onto the bike. Okay, the windshield's done. This is how it looks now. To mount the crash bar on the right side of the bike, we'll need to take these 2 14mm bolts out. It will look something like this. Just take these 2 bolts out. So to install the crash bar, we'll need to add this spacer here. 1 bolt goes inside this. And the other one here. Okay, the side's done. Now let's do the left side. So the kit also comes with these covers for the hands here. There you go. So left side is the same, 14mm bolt here and here. Let's open that. So spacer and a bolt came out of this one, and spacer and a bolt came out of this one. Okay, to install the crash bar on the left side, we will add the big spacer here, and then the tall or long bolt will go in here. So let's put this other one first. Bolt, washer, go on this side, and we need to add the small spacer on the back. And same thing, the spacer that comes with the bike goes the back. Okay, now we put the covers on. Okay, this is how it looks now.